Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope that you all are good. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a Hindi newspaper prepared by me at home. So as I have made this newspaper using A4 size sheets, so I thought to make a separate video showing my newspaper. So let's start the video. So friends, this is the Hindi newspaper prepared by me. So I have given the name of newspaper before my name, that's Mahak Bhaskar. And if I talk about the number of pages, so including both sides of pages, I have used 4 pages. And I have tried my best to give a real look to this newspaper. So I hope that you all will like it. So firstly here I have written one thought, and here I have written the temperature, and I have also written all the informations that's available on every and each newspaper that you see in your daily life. So I have pasted some of the news, and here some space was left, so I have wrote one more thought, and I have tied the newspaper using this yellow ribbon. So now let's move on to the next page. So this is the second page, and I have given it the topic Jaipur front page, and same as all information is available here. Then here are also some newses and one advertisement also. Then on this one page I have given the topic Dharma Samaj Sanstha, and here you can see that it's Panchang and Rashifal. And here are also some of the news and one advertisement, and here some space was left, so I thought to write this. Then on the last page there's sports and Bollywood news. So for the sports and Bollywood news I have separated the page in 2 parts. So here's the sports part and here is the Bollywood part. So in my holiday homework it was clearly written that I have to make the newspaper of only 4 pages, but if you want to make a long newspaper of like 6 to 8 pages, so you can also make that, and there are many more suggestions that you can write, like you can also write the news of world, and you can also write news of related to authors, and many more information is available on internet. And you can also write jokes, memes and stories and many more things. So this was all my newspaper, and I hope that you all will like my newspaper. And as I have said before, that I have tried my very much best to make this paper very beautiful and give it a very real look. So this was all for today's video, and I hope that you all will like my video. So thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.